Hey guys, it's Denny here from Angel Handmade Papercraft. Today I am sharing the April 2018 Love from Lizi card kit. It's just arrived to me today. So let's get started. So first, there's two packages within the box, so I'll just move the box out of the way. As I said, there's two packages within the box. So you get one small package and one large package. So within the large package, I'll just open that up. There's an awesome sentiment set. It's all add-ons, which is pretty cool. So you are one of a kind. We are here for you. I am fearless. I am loved. You are loved. We are loved. Very cool. So that's their clear photopolymer stamps. Okay, so then you also receive a embossing folder, which is all birds. It's pretty cool. It's a nice large embossing folder as well, which is awesome. That's that one. And I've just had a look. That will fit through your big shot as well, so that's nice. Okay, so then you'll receive a few papers. Okay, so there's one. Let me just move this stuff out of the way for a second. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sheets of patterned paper. They're all also double-sided. I'll just show you the back as well. One thing I struggle with double-sided papers is deciding which side to use. Who doesn't have that problem? I don't know. This is why I am a hoarder when it comes to pattern papers, because it scares me to cut into them. These are all absolutely gorgeous on both sides. It also allows me to use up every single little bit of pattern paper, and I use both sides. I use every single little scrap of each of the sheets to make sure that I can use both sides and get plenty out of it. So that's those. So next, oh wow, how pretty is that? There's some glittery cardstock here, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's nice and thick as well. Okay, and then I don't know if you guys remember the last kit that I opened had all the gold strips in it. This is exactly the same, but it's kind of clear with glitter through it. So pretty. That's that one. And then you get a couple of sheets of the larger cardstock. So there's a yellow, a black, a green, a pink, and a blue. They're absolutely beautiful. Alright, so then you get a few sheets of the 12 by 12 as well. So again, these are double-sided, so I'll show you one side and then show you the other. So there's this one. A sticker sheet. Wow, so many pretties on there. How exciting. And then another one. We'll just turn that over and show you the back. This is kind of like an aqua blue colour. It's quite pretty. That's just the sticker sheet. And then you've got the black with the lovely springy colours of flowers. So that's all the papers and things from the kit, so we'll just pop those back in. Alright, now we've got our little baggie here full of ribbons and lots of other goodies. Alright, so once again you get a bottle of Nuvo crystal drops. So this one is the Sea Breeze. I actually don't think I have this one. It's quite pretty. That's gorgeous. Alright, and then you get some Hessian, is it called Hessian? I think so. This is actually what I use, very similar to what I used on my wedding centerpieces. It's gorgeous. And it comes with the black ribbon on there. That's that one. Just pop that back over there. Okay, then you get a couple of strips of thin ribbon, which is absolutely pretty. I absolutely love this white with the glitter through it actually. Absolutely stunning. Oh my god, how cute is this? It's little tassels. Oh my god. Cute. Okay. And there's a couple of chipboard words. So there's a hello, happy, and smile. Oh, I can hear my excitement. How cute are these? They're little teeny tiny envelopes. They are like the tiniest little things and absolutely adorable. Ah. And what else have we got? Okay, so we've got a couple of dies here. Just open that one up. So it's a little frame and a bird, which is lovely. It matches the papers and things. Can't wait to use that. Some little material tags here. Aren't they beautiful? Pretty. It's those. There's a bag of confetti. I won't open it. I don't have a little bowl on my desk at the moment and it'll get everywhere. But how pretty is that? Ooh, gorgeous. Alright, now there's a little bag of goodies here. Lots of goodies. Little die cuts. So there's a tag. I am not perfect, but I'm the perfect me. So true. A little tag with a camera on it. Oh. I should probably zoom in. Give me 1 second. Some flowers. I am doing what others say I cannot. I am dreaming big. Oh, that's pretty. I love butterflies and a gorgeous paintbrush and a compass and some more beautiful butterflies. It says M. Oh, I am so loved. I am. I'm about to get married, so I hope so. Oh, I just lost one yet. Just some more flowers. I am on the right path. Open to possibilities. On a journey. Oh, that's pretty too. Following my heart. Focusing on the good. I am seeing the possibilities. Some more flowers. Oh, cute. Look at the little glasses. Oh, so cute. I am truly happy. I am beautiful. Gorgeous little heart. Some more flowers. Another little heart. I am choosing happiness. So blessed. I am doing good things. I am loved. I am the artist of my own life. So true. Oh, that's the other half of that word. So it says I am. Beautiful. Looks like a rose gold. It's gorgeous. Little house with rose gold steps. That'd be my house if my soon-to-be husband would let me. There's some cute little feathers. They've also got the rose gold detail on them. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. It's gorgeous. I am living with purpose. There's another feather with the rose gold detail. Some more flowers. So happy. Oh, there's an I and another M. So using those big I ams and the words, you can certainly do a build on with the sentiments. Very cute, and just a couple more flowers. So that's an absolutely fantastic card kit. I can't wait to use it all. I'll just zoom back out again. Oh, wrong way. sorry. So that was all the little die cut pieces. Then we had the sequins, the Hessian tags, there's 2 dies, the little envelopes, the cute little tassel, the wooden happy smile and hollow, some beautiful ribbons, some more Hessian, and then you had all the papers and the set of sentiments and the Nouveau drops. So thank you very much for coming by and visiting my channel. I will be off now for a couple of weeks. The next week is probably going to be pretty hectic and crazy, so I won't really be posting much, and then we'll be away on our honeymoon, so obviously I won't be posting because my husband will probably kill me. So I just wanted to say thank you all for subscribing to my channel, and I really do appreciate everybody, and thank you again for all the beautiful comments. So I'll see you later.